Life is full of transitions, from starting a new job to moving to a different city or experiencing significant personal changes. Adaptability is key to navigating these shifts successfully. Here are some tips and tricks to help you stay flexible and resilient during life transitions. Embrace change. Accept the inevitable. Understand that change is a natural part of life and try to embrace it rather than resist it. Shift your perspective. Instead of viewing change as a threat, see it as an opportunity for growth and new experiences. Develop a growth mindset. Believe in your potential. Cultivate a belief that you can learn and improve with effort. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities to learn and develop new skills. Build resilience. Practice self-care. Prioritize physical and mental health through activities like exercise, meditation, and adequate sleep. Build a support network. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who can offer encouragement and advice. Learn from setbacks. View setbacks as learning experiences and use them to develop resilience. Be flexible and open-minded. Be willing to try new things. Step outside of your comfort zone and explore new experiences. Be open to different perspectives. Avoid making assumptions and try to understand others' viewpoints. Plan ahead. Set goals. Having clear goals can provide direction and motivation during times of transition. Create a plan. Develop a plan to help you navigate the transition and achieve your goals. Stay informed. Gather information. Research the transition you're facing to understand what to expect. Seek advice. Consult with experts or others who have gone through similar transitions. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge your progress. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Stay positive. Focus on the positive aspects of the transition and avoid dwelling on negativity. By following these tips, you can develop the adaptability and resilience needed to navigate life's transitions with confidence and grace. Remember, change is an opportunity for growth, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can thrive during any challenge.